So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you how to stake crypto here on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax, on this bottom bar, there's a bunch of different options. You see trade, wallet, stake, and settings. Go ahead and select on the stake icon. Once you're here, you're going to go to the top here to where it says start staking and then select that button. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and select an asset to stake. So you can scroll through, see the different options here when it comes to staking. For this demonstration, I will just select Ethereum. So once it's here, I actually don't have a balance available, so I'm going to have to go ahead and deposit or buy this asset. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and press buy in the bottom right. Then once you're here, you can type in the amount of crypto that you want to stake here. So if I were to do $10, for example, I can go ahead and type in 10. I'm going to go ahead and actually have to add funds to the account this way. But basically, once you're on this page right here, and if I were to go back, you can view the different staking opportunities. Just go to the top left, press on start staking, and then select a crypto that you want to stake here. So that is how you guys can stake cryptocurrency here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.